So this is where we start. We go to the Django Admin Interface, we log in, and here we can make many listings and different types of models. Let us make a user named Hermione, and we will input these details here and save. Alright, we can also make a listing. Let me copy it here. We can assign all the values and save. Here we can see the listing. Now let us go to the all active listings page. Here we can see all the listings and the new listing we just made. I'm actually not logged in here, as you can see, so I can only see a few links on the navigation bar. And here we can see the latest bid, description, and we have to log in to add a comment. So I'm gonna log in right now with my first user ID, signed in as Waqar Qureshi. Now I can see many links on the navigation bar. I'm gonna create a listing here quickly. Now we can see the listing I just made. It is showing in all listings. We can see the categories and we can see all the listings divided by categories. Here we can see just the listings we made. When I logged in, I can close this bid because I made it. I can also make a comment here because I am logged in. See the timing of the comment, and I can also delete the comment if I made it. I can log out from here right now, and I'm gonna register a new user who's gonna make some bids on the auction items. Here I'm logged in as Ron Weasley. Let me go to the categories and the listings I just made from another account. Here I am getting the option to place a bid. I can also add it to my watch list. So I am adding 2 of the products in my watch list. Now when I see my watch list, I can see those 2 products I just added in my watch list. I can also remove a product from the watch list, and now when I go to my watch list, I can see it is removed. I can place a bid. So I'm gonna place a bid which is lesser, and when I place it, there is an error that I must bid more. So I'm gonna place a bigger bid, and now when I place a bid, I can see the latest price has changed and it is the biggest bid that I just made. I can also make a comment. And when I make a comment and when I press enter, the page is focusing on the comment section, as you can see in the URL. I can also delete my comments. I'm gonna log out. I'm gonna again log in from the account of the super user account I made, and I can close this bid now. If I'm happy with the price, listing closed successfully. I have closed this bid. So I cannot see it in all active listings page, and I can see it in closed listings page. So this listing has been closed. Now I'm gonna log out and log in as Ron Weasley again to see if I have won the auction. So I'm gonna go to the closed listings. I'm gonna go to the listing which I closed, and here it shows me that I have won the auction. So it displays you that whoever has the greatest bid will win the auction.